Like these days, my makeup is melting crazy. Like it's turning into greasy, oily face. It cannot be fixed at all. And did you guys had enough time to fix your makeup? Like early in the morning when you have to go to work? You did not. Not really. It can happen. Yeah, it can happen. Me neither. I thought so. So today I'm doing the base makeup, but we'll try to do more detailed makeup. Start now. Let's get started. Starting off with Nature Republic Brightening Cream. The base makeup has to deal with some clean skin texture. Now I'm trying 15-hour Cover Lasting Foundation. It's my go-to foundation for a long time. It's giving you some fresh and natural look. It's amazing. And Beige palette is one of my favorite palette. I like the orange color. It's really pretty color. Next, I'm using pointed brush. It will make your eyes bigger. Next, I'm using Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. This Makeup Revolution's eyebrow palette is really good. There are 4 powder and 2 gel types are in the palette, plus the highlighters. It's gonna be the best when you match the eyebrows colors to your hair colors. In personal, I don't like my brows to be thinner, and I want to look much younger. This Too Faced waterproof eyeliner is just not working for me. Yeah, like why is this smudging? Let me know if somebody has this one. Back to the eyeliner. My eyeliner should be longer and sharper. Pull your tails out. Pull them out. If there are only eyeliners on the eyes, it can be just a little bit awkward. So at this moment, I apply more black shadows with using a pointed short brush to the eyeliners. This synthetic brush might look too tiny, but it works well on doing the eyebrow makeup. It's not a problem. Cannot forget about doing the nose job here. The nose should be shaded with medium gray toned shadows as if I were a sculptor. Next, I'm gonna use Benign Concealer Wheel. Applying the concealer on my face is the most annoying job ever. Now I'm going to highlight the brow bone. Applying light tone concealer to the ridge of the eyes. It will make your eyebrows stand out. It looks much cleaner than before. I'm adding more brownish black colors of shadows with this flash short brush. This is my Mong eyebrow pencil in color is in brown. I believe it was around $8 to $9. I know it's kind of annoying because sometimes you're gonna have to use with the pencil sharpener, but I use it every single day. This Physicians Formula Glitter Shadow is fantastic. This one has 6 colors combo and the shades are stunning. It's really pretty colors and it has some soft consistency, not tacky on the eyelid. I truly recommend for doing a wedding makeup. Next, I'll just go ahead and finish my eye makeup. These individual fake lashes feels very light and secure on my lashes. This dual glue is pretty strong and it changed the color to black after a few seconds, which is really nice. Applying individual lashes is really giving you really natural look because it's hard to tell if it's fake. When you're applying individual false lashes, try to put it on the roots of the eyes. So just be careful not to put it over the top of your lashes. Moving up to the next step, I'm using my e.l.f. taper brush. This is the holy grail products I have right here, guys. When you see that on a drugstore, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, just grab it. Just grab it, guys. Just trust me, you will love it. I normally do enjoy applying stained lip products, and I put some lip balm over the top. It doesn't smear or anything like that when I drink coffee or water when I work, so it's good. But today I have to see my lively lip. I chose pink coral color. I like the scent. It smells like a strawberry. Strawberry! Ooh, your face so big. I'm gonna need some contouring and shadings for my chin. Now this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions or requested videos, please don't forget to let me know, and feel free to comment down below. I'll meet you up on my next video. Sweet day, sweet night.